Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur, or in this video we are going to discuss about how to file the form PAS6 in case of company having multiple ISIN, right? So we will discuss complete process of filing the form PAS6 in case of company having multiple DIN. What is the complete process to file and what are the prerequisites to file the form, right? We will discuss each and every aspect of filing the this form, right? Let's start the video and discuss all of the provisions through which the form is regulated, right? The form is mandated by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs for the unlisted public companies and as well as the certain private limited companies, which is not a small company, right? So let's discuss all the information which is mentioned here under, right? So on which company this is applicable? It is applicable on the unlisted public company and a private company which is are not small company, right? Let's discuss the non applicability of this form. The on Nidhi company, government company, wholly owned subsidiary, public company, small private limited company, this requirement is not applicable on these companies, right? Let's discuss the revised process for filing pass three single form for all ISINs, right? First of all, you have to obtain the ISIN wise data, coordinate with RTA depository to obtain reconciliation of data for ISIN, ensure accuracy of DMAT and physical holdings of ISIN, then prepare the consolidated reconciliation report, right? And prepare the reconciliation report as per the MCA format and get the report reviewed and verified. Then access to the MCA portal, log in MCA V3 portal and navigate the past 6 form, right? In fourth step, you have to you have to certificate and verification. So this must be signed by the director, managing director or company secretary. In next step, अटैचमेंट टू पास 6, इसमें आपको जो है कंसोलिडेटेड रिकंसिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट ISIN वाइज यहाँ पे अटैच करना है. देन कंफर्मेशन लेटर फ्रॉम RTA और डिपोजिटरीज, इट मस्ट बी अटैच्ड विद दिस फॉर्म. In addition to that, other relevant supporting documents, it must be attached with this form. Submit and acknowledge. File the past 6 form within 60 days from the closing of each half year, right? The past 6 form must be filed half yearly basis on 30th May and 29th November. And thereafter compliance tips and recommendation. The कंपनी जो है ISIN मास्टर डाटा ईयर राउंड करेगी फॉर क्विक रिपोर्टिंग, शेड्यूल करेगी कंप्लायंस रिव्यू एवरी हाफ ईयर पर, राइट? अब हम कुछ FAQs डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. क्या पास 6 स्टिल मैंडेटरी है फॉर अनलिस्टेड पब्लिक कंपनी? यस, पास 6 रिमेन्स मैंडेटरी है फॉर अनलिस्टेड पब्लिक कंपनीज except निधि कंपनीज, गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज एंड होली owned subsidiary company. Can I now file the past 6 for multiple SIN in single form, right? तो क्या आप जो है पास 6 फॉर्म्स मल्टीपल ISIN के लिए सिंगल फॉर्म के थ्रू कर सकते हो? यस, बिल्कुल आप कर सकते हो. MC ने जो अपडेटेड कर दिया है सिस्टम टू अलाउ द कंसोलिडेटेड फाइलिंग ऑफ द दिस फॉर्म, राइट? अटैचमेंट क्या होगी? अटैचमेंट में कंसिडरेशन जो अटैचमेंट है वो मैं बता देता हूँ उसके अंदर क्या होगी. इसके बाद आपको आगे आना है और व्हाट हैपेंस इफ फाइल ओनली फॉर वन ISIN एंड मिस द अदर्स. अगर आप इनकम्प्लीट ISIN डेटा यहाँ पर करते हैं तो इसमें क्या है, कंप्लायंस स्क्रूटनी हो सकती है और पोटेंशियल एडजुडिकेशन हो सकता है अंडर सेक्शन 450. हु कैन सर्टिफाई पास 6? तो जो पास 6 फॉर्म है मस्ट बी सर्टिफाइड बाय प्रैक्टिसिंग चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, प्रैक्टिसिंग कंपनी सेक्रेटरी और digital signature of a director and company secretary of the company, right? In addition to that, pass 6 is applicable to private limited company. Yes, rule 9A and pass 6 apply only for non-small private limited company. What is the due date for filing the pass 6 form? We have already discussed about the due date of the filing of the pass 6 form. So thank you guys for watching this video. Still, if you have any doubt, you can also connect on the number given on the screen. If any doubt in related to the Companies Act provisions, Companies Act process and compounding and Section 241, 242 applications. You can also connect on the number given on the screen. Thank you guys for watching this video.